Welcome to my channel. Hey glow getters! If you've been scrolling through Instagram or TikTok, seeing people transform overnight with expensive products and salon visits, hold up, you do not need to burn your wallet to glow up. Today, I'm giving you a complete head-to-toe glow-up plan for $0, yes. Zero, nothing, completely free. We're talking skin, hair, nails, body, and even your mindset, all without spending a single penny. So, grab a glass of water, sit back, and let's make you your most confident self. And trust me, last step is a game changer. Step 1. Skincare. Start your day with sunlight. Open your curtains and let the sun hit your skin for 5 to 10 minutes. Top your body, boosts your mood, and gives your skin that natural morning glow. Ice facial. Start your morning by splashing cold water or rubbing an ice cube. It tightens pores and reduces puffiness, and instantly makes your skin look fresh and awake. Your natural mini facelift, no cost, no products. Viral glow mask. 1 tablespoon honey for hydration. A pinch of turmeric to brightens. 1 tablespoon yogurt for smoothness. Mix into a paste. Apply for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. Additionally, you can use this mask to remove tan from body, like elbow, knees, and knuckles. Your skin will feel soft, glowing, and refreshed, literally a spa moment at home. Oatmeal scrub. For exfoliation, blend 2 to 4 tablespoons oatmeal with a few tablespoons of raw milk. Rub gently in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes and rinse. Extra tip. Then drink a glass of water. Hydration plus exfoliation equals glowing, radiant skin that people will notice instantly. Face massage. How to do it? Use your fingertips to gently massage your cheeks, forehead, and jaw in upward circular motions, with few drops of any light oils like olive oil. Benefits? It boosts blood circulation, reduces tension, and gives your skin a natural radiant lift instantly. Step 2. Healthy diet. I'm not talking about the strict diet like fasting whole day or having single small meal in a day. No! You just need to include fruits like oranges, papaya, and berries for vitamin C, green veggies for antioxidants, and drink plenty of water. This will help you to not just glow from outside but inside too. Even swapping sugary drinks for water or herbal tea gives your skin a natural glow over time. And it's completely free if you stick to home options. Step 3. Hair care. Scalp goldmine. Massage your scalp with fingertips daily. More blood flow equals healthier, faster growing hair. If you like your hairs like this, I got you. Stop using fancy curlers, it makes your hair frizzy and dry. Use this method. Overnight waves. Wash hair, braid it damp, and sleep. Then wake up with natural beach waves, no heat damage. Cold water shine. Rinse hair with cold water at the end of your shower. It seals cuticles and adds shine. Step 4. Body glow up. Your glow is a full body affair. And no, you don't need a gym membership. Morning stretches or yoga. Spend 5 to 10 minutes stretching to improve posture and blood circulation. The free workout, walk, run, dance in your room, whatever gets you moving. Movement equals to energy and natural glow. Dry brushing alternative. Use a clean towel to gently rub your skin before showering, exfoliates and improves circulation. Lastly, cold showers. They wake you up, tighten skin, and make hair shinier. Step 5. Nails and hands glow up. Your hands say a lot about you. Let's make them speak glow up language. Nail care basics. Keep nails trimmed. File edges smooth. Push back cuticles with a clean tool. Natural shine trick. Rub your nails against each other for 1 to 2 minutes. Stimulates blood flow and makes nails look healthier. Homemade hand mask. Rub a raw potato slice on your hands for 5 minutes. It brightens skin naturally. Step 6. Style and clothing glow up. Style is not about expensive clothes. It's about how you wear what you have. Corset restyle, mix and match clothes you've never paired before. Try tucking shirts, cuffing jeans, or layering. Iron or steam your clothes. Crisp clothes look more expensive instantly. Accessorize smart. Use scarves, belts, or even hair clips in creative ways. Little details change the whole vibe. Step 7. This one is last and game-changing step. Inner glow, confidence and social glow up. The real glow up happens when you feel confident in your own skin. Speak slower and clearer, makes you sound more confident instantly. Maintain eye contact, show self-assurance. Compliment others, positivity bounces back to you. Energy is contagious. Declutter your space, clean environment is equals to clear mind and glowing you. And there you have it. A complete $0 glow up plan that works inside and out. No expensive products, no salon trips. Just simple habits that make you look and feel like the best version of yourself. If you try even 3 of these tips, you'll notice a difference in a week. So tell me in the comments, which one are you starting with today? And hey, you're already glowing just by being here. Stay radiant. Subscribe for more free glow up tips. Bye cuties.